Hi everyone, my name is NURUL and IZZATI. Now, let's take a closer look at the question we are addressing with this two-way table. The goal is to analyze how monthly payments are affected by changes in loan amounts and interest rates. This is particularly helpful for borrowers and planners to evaluate loan affordability under different scenarios. The table was created using Excel's what-if analysis tool, specifically the data table function. Let me briefly explain how we generated it. First, we use the PMT function in Excel to calculate the monthly payment for the loan based on the interest rate, loan amount, and loan term. Then, we set up the rows for loan amounts starting from 100,000 ringgit to 700,000 ringgit, and then the columns for interest rate ranging from 2% to 8%. Finally, go to Data, select What-If Analysis, and select Data Table. We'll include the rows and columns to calculate payments for every possible combination of loan amount and interest rate. Now, let's look at how the table is structured. Rows represent the loan amounts and columns represent the interest rate. I will now pass it to my teammates to explain how to interpret the table and key insights.
To use the table, locate the loan amount in the row and the interest rate in the column. For instance, for a 100,000 ringgit loan at a 4% interest rate, the monthly payment is approximately 1,012 ringgit. This table provides important insights. First, impact of interest rate. Higher interest rate significantly increase monthly payment for the same loan amount. For example, 100,000 ringgit loan, payment rise from 920 ringgit at 2% interest rate to 1,213 ringgit at 8% interest rate. Second, impact of loan amount. Larger loan amount result in higher payment across all interest rate. For example, at 4% interest rate, 100,000 ringgit loan has a monthly payment of 1,012 ringgit, while 700,000 loan jumps to 7,078 ringgit. By generating and interpreting this table using Excel what-if features, borrowers and planners can compare scenarios and make informed decisions about loan affordability.
Hello, my name is AMIRA ATIKAH SHUHAIMI and my metric number is 20247668995. Today, I will be explaining goal seek in Excel using the example. Goal seek is a powerful tool in Excel that helps you find the input value needed to achieve a specific goal or result. It is often used in financial and business scenarios to determine values like selling price, quantity, or cost. So, in these scenarios, Ronaldo Investment Berhad want to invest in common stock and secure a profit of 25,000. To determine at what selling price they need to close the position, we use goal seek. Here's how goal seek works. First, you set up the formula that calculates the result. In this case, the profit or loss which is dependent on the selling price and quantity sold. Then, go to the Data tab, select What If Analysis and choose Goal Seek. In the Goal Seek dialog box, firstly, set the set cell to the cell with the profit formula. Second, set the to value to 25,000 which are the target profit. Lastly, set the by changing cell to the cell with the selling price. Excel automatically calculates the required selling price which in this example is RM2.50. If goal seek is not available, you can also solve it manually using trial and error by adjusting the selling price until you reach the desired profit.
Moving on to the scenario manager. Firstly, company CR7 is a company that sells the sportwear. The manager wants to know whether the company is able to make profit or loss that occur during moderate, weak, and strong market performance. The analysis considers key financial metrics like sales revenue, cost of the goods sold (COGS), administrative expenses, and other operating expenses. By creating different scenarios with varying values for this input, scenario manager allows the company to assess its profitability under different market conditions. For example, strong market performance indicates the demand for the product of the company is high. This situation will lead the sale to increase and make an absolute profit. However, there are also situations where company is experiencing moderate and weak market performance due to several reasons such as changes in demand of the product and the cost of producing the product.
And then, the data from the scenario manager we can use to create the scenario summary by using the what-if analysis of scenario manager. And then, we enter all the items and we will look at the interface like this, which is consists of current value, moderate market performance, weak market performance, and strong market performance. So this show the total amount of profit and the loss for the company at the different type of the scenario. So by looking at this, the scenario manager can determine at which season that company experiencing the most profit and incur the loss. So as we can see, weak market performance make the company incur the net loss which is 1,000, and during strong market performance, make a profit which is 5,400. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.